Hello, this video is going to show another way to install an observation beehive. So here I have the bottom board already attached to the hive, and bees are already walking around in the bottom of it. So I'm going to show you how to install when the bottom board is already attached. Typically I'd recommend maybe just doing this with just the bottom board and maybe one frame, but we're going to tackle it with two. Okay, all right, so you can see here my entrance and exit tube is plugged up right now, and I did that at the end of the year so any bees returning from foraging didn't fly into the room. So I'm going to take out my little plug now, and then the next thing I'm going to do is take off the tape that I have around this piece of plastic right here that's blocking up the entrance hole. And then I'm gonna slide it into the tube at the end. So right now I kind of just have the little plexiglass up against the tube holding it up while I take off my tape. All right, and now we have to do a switch. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that my hole, no, actually it might help if I were to take off my tape completely and I can see where the hole is a little bit better. This is often easier to do with two people, but you can do it with just one. And then we line up our hole, and then we're gonna slide the plastic out and slide the tube right into the hole, like that. Ta-da! So now the bees can access the entrance tube. I actually did that kind of slowly, but the opening is really thin once you take the plastic out, so bees can't get out anyway. I haven't ever really had a problem with bees getting out when I'm installing the hive. Sometimes I have to remove it in the middle of the day, and that's a little trickier. You gotta be more careful there. All right, and then just slide your hive into place.